Works with the pain too, because it's go from one shoulder and spread all over the body, and the hearts, two colors, but not really done with one single thread. It means something broken for me. It evokes something, what is broken in me for me, because it's not, it's two colors, but they're not combined. They are like this. So it evokes me some of the broken parts in my mind.
Oh, I have 2 points. One is the foot there. Because for me, the relationship with the floor was really always important in my life, because I need really to enjoy the floor. I need really to have this touching feeling, to be there, and especially with the wood.
Recharge your body.
Yeah, there is something, I really need to be with my naked foot to stay there.
Give electricity to it.
What?
Give the electricity of your body to...
No, I really like the sensation.
Oh, yeah.
It's through dance, every time, for me it's a kind to feel me free. To feel me with this wonderful sensation. And the other, the 2 hearts, I don't know why too, but I don't know, it's not about what I would say about me, it's the position of the hearts. I think that was a pelvic area, and so for me it's really something really important. Also, what I have discovered with my job, really the bassin, il bacino, the pelvic is something really important to take care. So also because it allows me to dance, but it really is the center of the dance, and also because I have learned something about me, about sex, sexuality, and this putting heart over there is really important too.
Also, this looks like a wing. A bird's wing. I don't know.
Looks like?
Like a wing of a bird.
I don't understand. Like?
Wing. Yeah, wing of a bird.
Wings.
Wings. Oh. A wing of a bird looks like. Also, this looks like a bird. I don't know.
Yes.
Was it on purpose?
Yeah, beautiful associations. No, it was not. But sometimes random things are really meaningful. And it's true, for instance, for what you said for the feet. As we have this really specific practice, I don't know in English, reflexologie plantaire, massage of feet. It's said that everything is in the feet, so it matters a lot.
Yeah.
So your right hand finger is red. Is it finger? I don't know, or different button.
As I said, finger is about daring to ask questions, daring to know.
I thought you are showing to
It can
sky
show
with
things too. Something like the king is necked. Do you know this tale of the king is necked? You know it?
No.
How to summarize it? You know it? Maybe you can. No. The king is necked is a tale because in a kingdom, somehow the king, you know, to explain, the king was robbed by burglars, but nobody dared to say. They even stole him his clothes.
The king necked. The nudo.
Naked.
The king is
Yeah.
naked.
Yeah.
Nobody can see.
And so it's about to say, well, one child said, he's naked.
I can see the separation here again from upper part and lower part. For me, the 2 hearts could be. I don't know why. As soon as I thought, okay, these are children. I don't know why. I just made this association. Maybe it's not, but for me. And it gives me all these colorful beats. It just gives me this idea that something is happening, a big change, a big brighter evolution. But I don't know, it's taking drops by drops to go up. I don't know.
I don't know I can't know the English word, but maybe damar.
Vein.
Vein.
Vein. Yeah.
It's like.
Yes.
But it's your book.
Yes, yes. But it's true that it can also look like a map.
Yes, I was looking now.
I was asking.
I was deciding it was a block mark. Then I look on.
Yeah, I didn't know if it was hearing, impairing, or yeah.
Profile from.
There's a point that I'm not so comfortable with my nose. I draw it. But if I can, because I guess we are close at the end and we have to free the place. I'm really thankful and touched with this first exercise because it reminds me, and I think maybe for you too, we didn't practice together, but in the local workshops we had, I was really touched by how, with a 1 hour long process, emotional one, people can be really touched or connected to their deeper emotions. It was some kind of visual workshops what we had. Some people cried or were really emotional, and it's beautiful. I feel a bit connected with this here, with the freedom with which we were able to associate feelings and talk about it. And it, for me, it confirms that these are so powerful tools, no? To help people to get their emotions out somehow. It's precious. So for me.
That's it.
Thank you, because as we know, it's always an exchange. I mean, it's about reciprocity, because if I ask something to other people and these other people respond to this in a personal way, and this is the point, telling about our life, our emotion, our way to feel, and it's always an exchange. So I thank you. Thank you. Really.
And I would say, in a bit more, let's say, practical and operational way, maybe we need really to go further and to talk a bit about is there room, or how can we make some room for such practice?